So the brief agenda of this meeting is to review and discuss minutes of last meeting with action taken report, as well as the second agenda of today's meeting is to discuss the plan of activities for next quarter. So the agenda of today's meeting is to review and discuss the minutes of last meeting with action taken report, as well as the second agendas of today's meeting is to discuss the plan of activities for next quarter. So minutes of last meeting is already circulated to every council member, and we did not received any kind of any feedback or anything from council members. So we understand it is approved from everyone. So if it is approved, then we proceed for further.
No comments are received, you may consider it approved.
Yeah,
Take it forward.
thank you.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Okay.
So for action, whatever we have taken, so I have one presentation for this. So I am presenting that presentation. The main thrust area for quarter one and quarter two is validation and concept development for quarter one. And for quarter two, it is inspiration, motivation, and ideation. So these are the various activities which we performed from last meeting. We have completed one activity for call for paper writing. Then we have also completed our first council meeting, as well as we formed our council and we updated this council in the innovation council activity portal, as well as we also performed one motivational session by successful innovator Mrs. Nupur Agrawal is given
Yeah.
this session, who is the one of the successful innovator of this Uttarakhand, having startup Kiwi Windows. Then we also performed one session on problem solving and ideation workshop by Mr. Taranjit. Then we also have this council meeting, IIC council meeting, which is also a part of quarter two activity by today. Then we also planned some activity, that is national level live webinar on IPR and patent system in India by Dr. Saran Goda, who is from patent office itself. Then we have orientation session with student by innovation investors. So I am happy to share that Mr. UC Agrawal, me, and Dr. Anurag is three innovations ambassador who are selected by Ministry of Education for Uttarakhand. So till now we only three recognized innovation ambassador in the Uttarakhand state. So then we have also planned one more session on IPR by Mr. Naveen Verma on 10th of December. Then we have one more session by Dr. Vipin Kumar, who is the Director and Chief Innovation Officer at National Innovation Foundation, Department of Science and Technology, for National Education Policy with focus on innovation and entrepreneurship. Then we have session on national innovation and startup policy by me and director sir, Mr. UC Agrawal sir. Then we also planned one more session on 28th December on entrepreneurship and innovation as a career opportunity by Dilnawaz Khan. Then we also plan for idea POC pitching as well as validation at our institute level through online mode. This program will be completed till 31st December of this year only. Then we have one session on workshop on design thinking, critical thinking, and innovation design by Mr. Ajit Gill on 9th January. Then we have session on workshop and linkage of innovator with innovation investor with Priyanka Mandani ma'am and our director sir, Mr. UC Agrawal sir. So these are the planned activity. We also have internship plan for startups. So this will be taken care by Mr. Varun Sharma as as per the university calendar during our action taking report from first meeting. Then we are going for the plan of activities for third as well as for fourth quarter. So what is we plan for third quarter? So these are the some selected activity as per the IIC, as per the Innovation Council, we have to perform some minimum amount of activity out of the activity calendar. So we have chosen enough amount of activity from that calendar for this criteria. So the third quarter of meeting, proposed date for the third quarter meeting is 2nd January 2021, and these two activities still not planned, but we may plan if time allows us. Then we have planned for workshop on business model canvas by Vivek Shukla on 6th January 2021. Then we have planned for business plan prototype completion by Mr. Vivek Shukla, Taranjit, me and UC Agarwal sir. Then we have planned for how to plan for startup and legal and ethical steps. So this activity we may plan if times allows. Then we also plan for successful startup founders. So Siraj Imam is our alumni and he is running successful startups. So we invited him for delivering this session. So we also planned one more session on intellectual property right by Mr. Saurabh on 15 February. We also planned for mentorship session through student entrepreneur by innovation investor as well as innovation agent. So we three will be taking care of this session. Then we have orientation session for student with innovation investor. So we three innovation investor also taking care for that. Then we have fourth quarter activity. The theme of fourth quarter activity is awareness about startup and related ecosystem. So under that, we have selected following activities and some activities which need to be decided as per time. So we have planned for fourth quarter meeting that is on March. Then we also planned for session on angel investment, VC funding, opportunity for early stage intern. So this session will be taken care by SK Sharma sir, who is our council member, and he has agreed in first council meeting that he will taking care of the financial part for the startup related session. Then we also have one more session for students and faculties by innovation ambassador that we will plan in April 2021. Then we have semester break and internship of activities will be taken care of Varun Sharma sir from career development cell. So this is all about.
I would say that in my role, in my capacity, I'm a facilitator, and all my help and support will go for strengthening the CIES as well as IIC. One. Number two, that we have got 4-star rating. Yes, certainly it is worth appreciation that last year we did not apply, we were nowhere, and having a quantum jump is always an appreciation for the efforts of CIIES and IIC. Here I would like to add that going from 4 to 5 is a big challenge, but I think challenges give opportunities and opportunities give us new thought processes. And in this era of innovation and creativity, I think the whole team, IIC Council, including me and other members, will give their best to strengthen it further. Let us keep a target that next year, when we go for applying to the ratings, we shall be there at fifth. All the best.
Thank you,
All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.